Hi Asia, hi Atira. Long time no see. How are you?
Oh, hi Yashri. Yes, it has been since last semester we meet you, right?
We both are doing great. Why are you here?
I just bought a new Sanyo radio.
Oh, Sanyo. It's such an old brand.
Yes. Actually, Sanyo Electric was once a top electronic company. It was founded in 1947 and located in Miroguchi, Osaka. And it was formerly a member of Fortune Global 500. The company produced video equipment that including television, VCR and video camera, home appliances, including refrigerator, vacuum cleaner, small kitchen appliances and others. But now it is one of the Panasonic subsidiary companies.
Do you guys know this company has been involved in unethical issue?
No, I don't know about the issue. Do you mind sharing it with us?
Guys, I think we need to continue our conversation in another place since we are blocking other people's way.
Yes, let's go find another place. Asia, I will continue it later when we reach there, okay?
Yashri, can you continue with Sanyo issue?
Yes, Asia.
From the early stage of Sanyo Electric, they managed to bring the company to the top with a profit of 904 million yen in 2003. It was great until 2004, their assets struck by Chutsu earthquake and their profit declined to 394 million yen in that year. So they decided to reshuffle the management and in 2005, Tomoyo Nonaka be the new chairman. And luckily, they managed to get a positive operating income of 2.6 billion yen after on and remain the world's #1 producer of rechargeable batteries. But later, on November 24, 2006, Sanyo announced a heavy losses and job cuts. In February 2007, Sanyo was fully cooperating with an investigation by securities authorities as it was suspected window dressing of earnings at the struggling Japanese electronics maker. The company spokesman said that the investigation was underway and declined to confirm the report in Japanese newspaper that Sanyo may have falsified its fiscal 2003 earnings report. The newspaper mentioned that Sanyo had written off losses of 190 billion yen at its subsidiaries, but reported the losses as 50 billion yen. Tomoyo Nonaka, a former NHK anchor woman who was appointed chairman of the company, stepped down in March 2007. Later, Saichiro Sano was appointed to lead the company after Toshimaru, the president, stepped down in April in the same year.
Oh really? Before this, I never heard about this issue. So what happened after that?
Then, in October 2007, I've heard that Sanyo cancelled a 110 million yen sales of its semiconductor business, blaming the global credit crisis for the decision and stating that after exploring its other options, it had decided to keep the business and develop it as a part of its portfolio. On December 2007, Sanyo corrected its unconsolidated earnings for past several years and admitted it paid some 28 billion yen in illegal dividend payout when necessary profit to justify such payouts were lacking. In response, the Security and Exchange Surveillance Commission recommended that the Financial Service Agency fine Sanyo for 8.3 million yen for publishing false financial statements. The Tokyo Stock Exchange it immediately transferred Sanyo to its monitoring post for possible delisting. Sanyo offered an apology for the earnings correction at a new conference. It corrected profits and losses for the period between fiscal 2000 and 2005, as well as net asset in fiscal 2006 and the first half of 2007 business years.
Oh, so is this unethical issue will affect the quality of financial reporting of Sanyo?
Yes, it will totally affect the quality of financial reporting of this company. Firstly, it will affect Sanyo business reputation. It is because poor ethics can also inflict damage on the business reputation and trustworthiness of its stakeholders, such as customers and business partners. The absence of trust ensures that the business finds it difficult to conduct business with others. This damage to a business reputation is particularly devastating to accounting firms who rely heavily on that reputation to remain in business. Second, Sanyo financial statement cannot be trusted anymore. Each time that an unethical accountant deliberately breaks the rules and regulations to manipulate the information presented on the financial statements to a legal advantage, those financial statements become less and less useful. Since financial statements must remain accurate and truthful to help end users in making their financial decisions, financial statements tainted deter the decision-making process. Erroneous figures cast all other figures into doubt and end users simply become unable to trust the information presented.
Wow, thank you Atira and Yashri. Now, I know about the unethical issue that Sanyo involved.
So, after knowing the history of Sanyo, I wonder if you guys can share your thoughts on how to sort off this kind of accounting misconduct.
I think one of the way to solve unethical conduct of financial reporting is by taking an outsider view. For example, the company can get a proper views from their shareholder, supplier or creditor. It is because they are also the parties who frequently use the financial report for the future decision making. In order to provide a transparent financial report, it should be free of conflict of interest, or maybe we can get a professional advice from the expert parties such as MIA. As example, if you need to report unethical or illegal behavior of your accounting clique or employer, seek legal counsel either in-house or from an independent firm, or access your company whistleblowing resources so you can get advice from them. So guys, this solution had been practiced by new CEO of Houston-based publicly traded waste management company after the previous top executive falsely increased the depreciation time length for their asset on the balance sheet, which he set up anonymous company hotline where employee could report dishonest or improper behavior happen in the company and get advice on what to do. So I think this is the way how to we sort out this kind of accounting misconduct.
Guys, I think we need to stop this conversation here. I need to go home since it's already late.
Thank you Yashri for sharing with us new info about Sanyo. I really appreciate it.
Bye Ashri, take care. See you again after semester break.